Welcome to this complete Monaco travel guide. Today, we're going to embark on a journey of luxury, beauty and adventure as we explore 10 of the most exquisite sights in Monaco. We'll visit the Grand Monte Carlo Casino, the majestic Prince's Palace and the fascinating Oceanographic Museum. We'll take a stroll around the stunning Monaco Harbor and bask in the peaceful aura of the St. Nicholas Cathedral. We'll explore the wonder of the exotic garden, enjoy the sun at Larvotto Beach, and get our adrenaline pumping at the Formula One Grand Prix circuit. We'll also wander through the serene Japanese garden and the charming old town of Monaco Ville. If you've ever wanted to live like a royal, even for a day, then Monaco, the playground for the rich and famous, is the place to be. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the luxurious life of Monaco. First on our list is the iconic Monte Carlo Casino. This architectural marvel, steeped in history, dates back to the mid-19th century. It was built by Charles Garnier, the architect also responsible for the Paris Opera. With its Belle Époque architecture, it's an embodiment of opulence and luxury. But the Monte Carlo Casino is not just about the turn of the cards or the spin of the roulette wheel. It's also about the experience. It's about rubbing shoulders with the high rollers, savouring the glamour, and even spotting a celebrity or two. In popular culture, the casino has been a backdrop for films, including several James Bond movies. And who could forget the adrenaline-charged car chase in GoldenEye that zigzagged its way around the casino square? Whether you're a seasoned gambler, an admirer of architecture, or a fan of popular culture, the Monte Carlo Casino has something for everyone. So, if you're feeling lucky or just want to soak in the grandeur, the Monte Carlo Casino is a must-visit. Next, we have the Prince's Palace of Monaco. Perched high on the Rock of Monaco, this grand edifice is more than just a royal residence. It's a symbol of history, a testament to the Grimaldi family's rule that dates back to the 13th century. As you approach, you'll be greeted by the spectacle of the changing of the guard. This daily ceremony, clockwork at exactly 11:55 in the morning, is a tradition that has been upheld since the early 19th century. The palace itself, an intriguing blend of Renaissance and Louis XIV style architecture, whispers tales of the principality's past. And if the walls could talk, oh, the stories they would tell, but they leave it to you to imagine, whilst you marvel at the panoramic view of Monaco's cityscape, the azure Mediterranean Sea and beyond. It's a sight that's worth every step of the steep climb. For a taste of royal life, the Prince's Palace is the place to be. For the marine enthusiasts, the Oceanographic Museum is a must-visit. This aquatic wonderland is a treasure trove of marine curiosities. The museum is home to a vast array of marine artifacts and species, from the tiniest plankton to the most majestic whales. It's like diving into the deep blue without getting wet. But it's not just about observing, it's about understanding. The museum's mission is to promote the conservation of our oceans. They strive to educate visitors about the importance of marine ecosystems and the threats they face. By showcasing the beauty and diversity of marine life, they hope to inspire a sense of responsibility and care for our blue planet. The Oceanographic Museum isn't merely a place to marvel at the wonders of the sea. It's where science, art and conservation converge. It's a testament to Monaco's commitment to preserving and understanding our oceans. A visit to the Oceanographic Museum is not just educational, but also a step towards protecting our oceans. Moving on to the Monaco Harbor, or as the locals call it, Port Hercule. This picturesque haven is a sight to behold. Nestled between the Mediterranean Sea and the towering cliffs, it's a canvas painted with luxury yachts that seem to compete with each other for splendor. Port Hercule isn't just about the yachts, though. Look around and you'll find a bustling scene of life. Restaurants and cafes line the waterfront, offering culinary delights that range from the traditional Monegasque cuisine to international dishes. Imagine sipping a cup of coffee as you watch the sun set over the water, the yachts bobbing gently in the evening light. Whether you're a nautical enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone who enjoys a good view, Monaco Harbor has something for you. It's a place where luxury meets leisure, where the high life is just part of everyday life. For a relaxing day out, the Monaco Harbor is the perfect spot. We're halfway through our list, so let's do a rapid fire of the next 5 spots. First up, we have the St. Nicholas Cathedral. This grand Romanesque Byzantine-style cathedral is the resting place of many of Monaco's past princes and princesses, including the beloved Grace Kelly. The cathedral's majestic white stone facade and beautifully detailed interior are sure to take your breath away. Next, we make our way to the exotic garden. Perched on the rocky Monegasque terrain, this garden is home to thousands of rare plant species from around the world. It's a paradise for botany enthusiasts, and the views? Simply out of this world. From there, we head over to Larvotto Beach. Nestled in Monaco's eastern bay, this man-made beach is the perfect spot to soak up the Mediterranean sun. The crystal-clear waters and the glitzy high-rises in the background create a picture-perfect setting. Now, let's shift gears and head to the Formula One Grand Prix circuit. Monaco's streets transform into one of the world's most challenging racing circuits once a year. Even if you're not a racing fan, walking the same streets that legendary drivers have raced on is an exhilarating experience. Lastly, we find tranquility in the Japanese garden. This carefully curated oasis, designed by famed Japanese landscape architect Yasuo Beppu, is a perfect blend of Monaco's glitz and traditional Japanese aesthetics. Stroll through the serene paths, and you'll feel like you've been transported straight to Kyoto. From serene gardens to adrenaline-pumping circuits, Monaco has something for everyone. Last but not least, we have the old town, Monaco Ville. This is where the heart of Monaco beats, where its roots are firmly anchored. Monaco Ville, also known as Le Rocher or the Rock, is a delightful maze of narrow lanes, a testament to Monaco's medieval history. Here, cobblestone streets wind and twist, leading to unexpected sights and sounds. Each turn reveals local shops that have stood the test of time, offering a delightful array of artisanal goods, local cuisine and souvenirs. These lanes are more than just pathways. They are Monaco's lifelines, breathing life into its history and culture. As you wander these streets, you're not merely a spectator, you're a participant in a centuries-old story. Each stone, each corner, each shop is a chapter in this tale, inviting you to immerse yourself in the authentic Monaco experience. For a true taste of Monaco, a stroll through the old town is essential. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 things to do in Monaco. Let's take a moment to revisit these fascinating destinations. We began our journey with the glitz and glam of the Monte Carlo casino, a place where fortunes are made and dreams come true. From there, we ascended to the Prince's Palace of Monaco, a regal testament to the Grimaldi dynasty's rich history and opulence. We then dived deep into the aquatic wonders of the Oceanographic Museum, a shrine to marine life that has been captivating visitors for over a century. From the depths of the sea, we sailed to the vibrant Monaco Harbor, Port Hercule, a haven for luxury yachts that truly encapsulates the spirit of the Riviera. Our journey continued with a visit to the St. Nicholas Cathedral, a beacon of serenity amidst the hustle and bustle of Monaco. We then took a stroll in the exotic garden, a verdant oasis teeming with succulents from around the globe. We savoured the sun at Larvotto Beach, a stretch of sand that offers the finest in Mediterranean relaxation. We shifted gears to experience the adrenaline of the Formula One Grand Prix circuit, a testament to Monaco's love for speed and sophistication. A walk in the serene Japanese garden gave us a taste of Eastern tranquility in the heart of Europe. Finally, we stepped back in time in the charming old town Monaco Ville, a district that has preserved its medieval charm amidst the modernity of the city-state. Monaco, in its essence, is a harmonious blend of luxury, history and natural beauty. It's a microcosm where opulence meets tradition, and the vibrant city life is balanced by tranquil gardens and stunning seascapes. Each corner of this tiny principality tells a story, each vista a feast for the eyes. So, pack your bags, put on your sunglasses, and get ready to experience the glamour and charm of Monaco. Trust us, it's a trip you'll never forget.